Hello and welcome dear students. I am Nandlal Singh, your mathematics mentor Bhagavad Vidyapith Chhabta. Students, today I am going to start new chapter Visualizing Solid Shape. As the chapter name suggests, visualize. Here we are going to know more about after the visualizing the shapes. First we are going to talk about solids. What are the solids? In chemistry, you know that when you read in your earlier classes in chemistry science chapter that solid is what? Which has fixed shape and size and volume is called solid. Here, according to mathematics definition, anything that occupies space and three dimension. Here we are not going to talk about fixed volume, shape. Here we are going to know about according to the dimensions. A solid can be classified as length, breadth and height, and that occupies space is called solid. So any three-dimensional figures we can say that is called solid according to the mathematics. Now we are going to give some example of solid. You are going to come across your day-to-day life example: books, pencil, house, bricks, footballs, cricket ball, refrigerator, table, many more. All are example of solid. Parts of a solid. First of all, we are going to talk about the parts of a solid. You can see that in first figure, it is the example of a triangular prism because their base and tops are congruent figure. So we have to know parts of a solid. First thing is face. Face is each flat surface. Each flat surface of a solid is called face. Now vertices. Vertices is the point where three faces of a solid meet. Now edge is a line segment that intersect two faces. Now this is the example of, these are the parts of a solid. You can see that any flat surface is called face. Vertices is the point where the three faces join together. Here the vertices E, F, these are the example of vertices. Edges are A, where two surface meet, is called vertices. Now we are going to know about various types of solid. First we are going to talk about prism. A prism is a solid formed by joining two congruent planes. If we are going to joining two congruent planes by a straight line, then the solid is formed, is called prism. Here the example of prism are rectangular prism, which is also called cuboid. A square prism is also called cube. Triangular prism is triangular prism. This is the example of triangular prism. And now pentagonal prism. One thing you have must notice that two faces are must be congruent. You can see that in each of the example two faces are must be congruent. So this is the first example of solid prism. You have to know about how many vertices and face of this solid. So take a look, and now we are going to know more about solid as a pyramid and many more. So that's all for the video. We are going to meet in next video. Thank you.